Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a PDF logo into Cricut Design Space step by step clearly. Open your Cricut Design Space application. Click on the New Project button to start a new design. Locate the Upload button on the left side panel and click it. Select the Upload Image option from the menu that appears. Choose the PDF logo file you want to import from your computer. Click on Open to upload the file into Design Space. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see a preview window. Select the area of the PDF that contains your logo. Click on the Extract option if needed, to isolate the logo from the PDF. After isolating the logo, click Continue. Choose the file type based on your needs, such as print then cut or cut image. Click the Upload button to add the logo to your uploaded images. Select your logo from the uploaded images library. Click on the Insert Images button to bring it into your project canvas. Adjust the size of the logo as needed in the canvas area. If you need to modify the logo, use the editing options available. Once satisfied with the design, click on the Make It button in the upper right corner. Follow the prompts to select your material and prepare for cutting. Load your material into the Cricut machine. Click Continue and wait for the machine to finish the cutting process. Your PDF logo is now ready for use with your Cricut projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.